Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, March 2nd. It looks like stocks on Wall Street may rebound a bit from yesterday's steep sell-off, but the global markets are broadly lower again as high oil prices continue to put pressure on equities. Right now, light sweet crude is trading right around $100 a barrel, amid fears that the unrest in the Mideast and North Africa will disrupt oil supplies from the region. The uprising in Libya has effectively split that country in two, sharply cutting into output. Investors are concerned that if oil prices remain this high, it could represent a threat to worldwide economic growth.
The rise in energy prices is starting to take its toll on corporate bottom lines, beginning with the airlines. The International Air Transport Association cut its industry profit forecast by $500 million for this year because of the recent spike in jet fuel costs. Before the political unrest began, the IATA had assumed crude oil prices at $84 a barrel, but it's been forced to raise that estimate to $96 a barrel. Partially offsetting that increase is a rise in ticket prices. U.S. carriers have tried to push through a string of fare hikes in the past several months as the global economy has shown signs of improvement. Airline stocks have fallen sharply in the past couple weeks as oil prices have soared. Yesterday, U.S. Airways tumbled nearly 8%, Delta slid more than 5%, and AMR, the parent of American Airlines, dropped nearly 3%.
Earnings news may move a few other stocks today, including several retailers. Costco Wholesale is adding 1% in the pre-market, after its quarterly results came in roughly in line with estimates. Costco posted a 16% increase in profit, and total sales rose 11%. The news wasn't quite as good for Costco's rival, BJ Wholesale Club. Its fourth quarter net income fell sharply, due mainly to store closing costs. However, BJ's profit outlook for the current quarter was a bit better than expected. Meanwhile, office products retailer Staples reported a 17% increase in profit. That stock is little changed in the pre-market.
A couple other stocks we're watching this morning. MetLife is falling more than 5% after it announced that it plans to sell more than 68 million shares of its common stock to the public. But moving in the opposite direction is Yahoo. Shares of the internet firm are jumping 4% following a Wall Street Journal report that it's considering a sale of its 30% stake in Yahoo Japan. SoftBank already owns 41.9% of Yahoo Japan, but says it has no intention of buying more. And finally, keep an eye on Apple. It's preparing to unveil a new version of its iPad tablet computer in San Francisco today. Multiple reports say the new model will be lighter, thinner, and faster, and include a camera to enable video chat. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.